Hi guys, this is Cj&Ij.
Hi.
Say hi. Saying it is mad.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Hi.
This is Ngwo. Where is my whatever? Oh. Life is sweet, motherfucker.
It's your boy Cj. Them of the lights, get it time, no guessing blind. I call their phone plenty times, they press decline. Oh, all alone, I tell myself I'll be fine. I was walking slow, they left me behind. Oh, my mama say, don't you worry, wait for time. I work and pray and do Instagram freestyle. Oh, my baby smiling, but she did messy sometimes. I don't want to lose you, so me, I'm taking my time.
About this. So this was us walking down the waterfall, and that was IJ.
Yeah, 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 yeah,
This is beautiful. Welcome. Wow. This is mad. Oh.
How are you?
No be like this address go. And yeah, that was it. Bye guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. We hope to do this again. Bye.
Bye.